Now, Spanish Town Primary is on a mission to develop its sporting program, and it's paying dividends. The Central Primary Athletics champions are also the national champions, dethroning licensed primary to win their first title since 2019. Following that success, they won the boys 11 to 12 division with 58 points, while ending 9th out of 30 schools in the girls equivalent with 19.5 points at the Northwest Classic in Miramar, Florida. The team won a total of 10 medals, 3 gold and 7 silver.
I feel great that I get to go overseas and I won my event and I did the best that I could to win.
Experience is fun, battled a few injuries here and there, but managed to get through, yes.
It has been over 20 years we haven't gone. We really just went this year to participate, but we were so fortunate to get the victory. And we are grateful. The whole community, the whole school is excited for this win. We won the Central Championship, the National Championship, and then now gone international. It's a great feeling.
After doing so well at the meet, Spanish Town Primary could return next year with a larger contingent.
Right now, this victory would let us look in even to going to Miami Classic next year with a bigger team. Because this year we only take 13 athletes, 5 females and 7 males.
I'm really appealing to Jamaica and the international arena to really adopt Spanish Town Primary to assist us financially, because we really need help. What we have achieved today and what we have achieved over time, we have done it all by ourselves through fundraising events.